Amesanso me wakwaba Tamale-Adom TV kasiye yeso ma yento yensem so na yenhwensen foforo na National Conference of Muslims Representatives what the honjumedie de tosomye no ehye so bonkramantam no emu de kowie chire no president ema ye coalition of Muslim organizations Ghana Hajj Abdul Manan Abdul Rahman de futu adesere eto muslimi hemfo ena imam sinyina enim sada woroma dubira mpanyefo de amawo mo ena tumi ekura wo mo no homodin asa brebia no ode bebode huru ade afa sumdwie eho owia wonhwe hunu senkabo mu enso be yeduma.
Coalition of Muslim Organizations Ghana aye wonom National Conference etosumienu ya muslimifo ana musifo eneko wasie bie Hajj Abdul Manem Abdul Rahman eye president a wada komok ano enhoma watudin Uma Constitution no botayenti a wonom pese wode bedi dwuma nyina no wo kiremu
ne pese Muslim umma enya ehu entiase ne se nyame adoma ye betimi anya a lay down procedure ye betimi nominate yen imam so that there will be stability. So a ban election there, yes, Rawan say, omun use on pulpit, omun use on platforms, a him for any imams, so that a bede sumujeba omai.
Nasa Isa Abu Safran, eye, Tuyahine ewo, Bronubia, Watamale, or the Atua Manyofu, Yinainu se, Afia Batuano, on Concote Mebunu Echi, Emo Wonfa, and Shebasabasayu.
Real advice, as you asked, that given to our politicians is everything depends on them. At least they have to be decorous in their campaigning and do not encourage tax, encouraging people to attack political A or political B. So I implore on them that it's just about their message. You give a message that convinces me, I'll go along with you. I might come to a program and say something now. It's not something that is exciting. It's your responsibility to educate me. That might let me vote for you.
Ye ni ebetre tifido mantam no emu na nananu matina nkonwa ya wo ebo Tamale Metropolis wo mo etre dia wo mo dwen ho a wo mo hyeda ntiase wo sede kwantempo ahodo wo Tamale ne mpotamu no wo mo enhyeda hunu de ntia panifo siesie nchekura no na nyina no asa so konda da mu asese no nti ode to Ghana Highway Authority panifo ne sen manimu ya ntempa no wo hwe no nya bibimfa ho. Abrachurefo Emakupena Al-Hassan Rashid ene sentrofo twetwenkomo ewo Ghana Highway Authority o mafin shada pa ho ntoma Tamale no ase no wode to dwase wo breyimo no kwantempo aworo ya na mpanyimfo de fidi koguso eyeso nsiesie na ye enche na sanso kwane dademu ya besi na nsuso anya de se mo nim di ntia eno nti o mo hwe no mo se breyimo no Ghana Highway Authority mpanyimfo no man no ebetena sede nhye pa egu akwa mu a kwantempo nsiesie bi obeye bia no Wombehese betia po na che.
Secretary to the Paramount Chief of the Traditional Area, Lieutenant Hassan Secretary. Today he has asked, delegated the Chief of the Traditional Area and my humble self to represent him here on the occasion of the 50th anniversary celebration launch of the Ghana Highway Authority. We have listened to the various speakers. The one that was so touched was when they mentioned the durability of our routes. And then we as people using these routes know what it entails. So we made an appeal to them that durability of the roads is still a challenge. Any road they construct, they don't stand the test of time. And we don't know the reason. So we cannot put the blame on highways, neither can we put on the state. We are only appealing to them that they should collaborate to ensure that we have quality roads. And then they also mentioned that in Tamale alone, they have been able to do the road network up to the distance of 1,130 kilometers. And then we are appealing to them that they should do well to go beyond that. So by next year or in a few years to come, they should tell us that they have now reached 3,000 kilometers of road networks in the region. So these are some of the issues we have raised. And then we think if they take it seriously, if they have the people at heart, they certainly will do it for us. So that by 5 years' time, the look and cry of the rural region will be connected by this road network.
Enwachi Northern Regional Director, Emma Ghana Highway Authority, Engineer Victor Anan, as so the to us say. Quantum and Pembe Brenan, when we ya enche, na sansa coneda demo no, a yana do wana agent hawa, contractors no enemo, Nessunin nemo no, in Penfogus to Sunyama e say how we no, over to Miasano.
It's all worked up in a myriad of problems. Sometimes the contractor faces problem of payment, so they leave the road. You think that the road is completed, but actually it's not completed. The man hasn't finished the work and he's left the site. And unfortunately, once the road is not completed and left at a certain stage, it deteriorates very, very fast. So I hope moving forward, the next 50, put our hands together and then get something better done for ourselves.